When you're done, computer bye. Girl bye. Oh my god. That's a lot of 15 treats. That should be steal the treats level if it's gonna be. If it's that hard, I would agree to be in this level. One. Say, sir, yes. This music sounds like a circus. Oh, no, it's the greatest moment of the entire life. Oh man, that Dawn Bouncer thing. Oh man, that's not nice. What the hell would he do to that? The bee stung. Because bees sting dogs. That's how May 19th, 2007, 18 goes. Let's see my videos on a day. It'll be so funny. Send me to God. That's how Simon Says quickly. Okay, Simon's cat, calm down. He's scared people. Okay. May 19th. Yeah. The date is stupid. No. That's all what it says. No. Because it says no.
Just had to say no.
Prepare to Santa's North Pole, I said. I'll do more of my survival crafts videos soon. Gone. Damn reindeer. I would probably watch Oshitaka Mushrooms today, but it would have been like every day, because I'm watching Vine Sauce. Prepare to Santa's North Pole, I even said. It said like, prepare to Santa's North Pole. It means, yeah, because I want to hit reindeer in survival craft. We were watching that wet royal wedding. It was long before I was back to my room. Wee! Wee! Oh, yay! Give me candy. What? Don't do this, don't do this.
You're so cute. Doggy Don just posted a video.
I don't want it. What? Oh, come on. Get the milk down. It's not gonna work if it doesn't. Yeah. Red. I don't have any more.